Today, I want to explode a damaging myth that many people believe that confidence is all about mindset. This myth makes you think that in order to be confident, you need to fix a bad mindset. And that very thought can lower your confidence rather than improving it.
You know you should believe in yourself, but you can't.
Your boss says you need a more positive mindset. But how do you get one?
You wish you could be more confident, but you just don't have that kind of mindset.
These are common thoughts for anyone who wants more self assurance, but they all assume that mindset change is the magic key that unlocks confidence. But what if I told you that's not entirely true? To build confidence, it is often faster and easier to work on skill sets rather than mindsets.
Yes, changing an entire mindset is hard work.
That's because it involves shifting deeply ingrained thought patterns and beliefs. But building micro skills is something that you can do quickly, easily, and with just a couple of tools.
What are micro skills?
They're specific behavior sequences that help you achieve a specific result. And building them is like training a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger your micro skills become.
So, if you want to be more confident, what kind of micro skills should you build?
Well, there are three skill sets I teach in my Complete Confidence Lab. These are breakthrough thinking, assertive language, and behavioral reprogramming skills. Remember, building confidence is not about fixing yourself and it's not about having a perfect mindset. It's about developing practical skills that empower you to change. If you want to dive deeper, download my free ebook, Beat Imposter Syndrome. Just click on the link below this video to get your copy.